Hi, this is a video to show how we open an Acer Aspire M3 series. You can look at here, and to repair the power supply plug inside. And this video will help you to open it up to repair such a plug like this power supply, because it is moving inside and it can sometimes cause the motherboard to burn out. So we will try to open. The first screws is the sides here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 up here in this corner, 8, 9 and 10. Next step, we have removed all these screws and put inside here together, so we don't mix them up. But it will be very difficult to find out what place the screw belongs to. So please be careful with that and don't mess up the screws. Next step is to open these screws 1, 2 and 3. I have done that by this screwdriver over there. Open up and leave the screws inside this. They will be hanging up inside this. Don't remove them from there. And there we find the SSD disk, the hard disk, and here we got the RAM. And here we got the net board and the wireless board. And we don't touch them. Don't touch inside, because the ESD protection can damage some of these components. So please touch the radiator or touch the refrigerator, so you can ground yourself, so all the electrons goes out from you. And this, we can remove this by pulling that out. This one, go back. Here we got a plug we can remove. Gently please, so we don't damage any poles inside, because there are so many poles to connect from. There we go. So be careful with the disc. It can't. It's not protected about damage. If you lost it, everything can be broken inside, especially if it is a RAM disk. And here we got 3 screws, 1, 2 and 3 small. These we can remove to secure that there are no screws inside that keeps hanging on the board when you remove the top. And this is one hidden under this plastic. And 3. So and now we are finished here with the screws. They're not small anymore. And maybe here I can see that somebody has opened this before me, maybe. So maybe here there's also a long screw who holds the board together. We can remove that too if it is in your board, and also there maybe before we goes on. Under these 3 models there are nothing, no screws inside this board. We can flip it over now. open it easy, and we can by these gently upside from left to right and under, gently do that, and it is removed. On this side you can see there's long cables that we must be careful to remove before we can remove all the keyboard out. So inside there, I need some light, I can see. And here I have removed this cable, and one cable more. 1, 2, and 3 over here. So here I can see how I remove. Here you can see I can show you how I remove the cables by just this black, just give it a small pull back, and here I pulled so much back so I get this black plug on. This happened with you can put it back on side there. So pull it small, tiny 2-3 millimeters back, so you can put the cable next time. And this is the long plug, and it is on. You just remove this one back, small step, not too hard, and this, and the cable goes off therefrom, out here. The cable out here, this the third cable out here. Now, my problem is this power supply. Moving, and maybe there's something inside which is damaged, and I want to see that. But please don't touch inside before you ground yourself by touching a refrigerator or something that has current on it. This is plugged to the net supply, because it is definitely grounded, so you don't damage any components, expensive component on this board. You can damage all the motherboard if so. Now if you want to remove this battery up, there you got a screw inside there on the board, just under the CD-ROM. Screw it up, and you got the cables inside there, and it goes down beside on there. Then you can switch it over there, pull back, and it's out. No battery are connected. No battery is connected. So my English language is not that good. Now I want to remove this one so I can see inside there and see if there are some cables which are plugged off or not connected or shortcut. Remove this from this plaster over here, and then I can up there. We got it. And under this, I can remove this plaster here. I can reuse it, of course, and I can also remove this still, and it's better with a screwdriver, because one with, well, not plastic, maybe it's better to do that. that one was removed from there. It was plugged in and this way out, and I can now also remove this one, and it was outside, and I can remove this screw. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 screws to remove, so I can pull this up and look inside to see these screws. Now I can see it is a good thing to remove this CD-ROM so I don't damage this plug inside there before I move this board up. So this I can resolve or remove by removing that screw by like there, and another upside it is removed, so I remove this screw by now. There, and this is good. It's good to push up and play this screw on side and be sure it belongs to it. Over there. Now to look at this board, I should be very gentle removing this, but here we got a plug. This plug is also there, but it is attached to this, so we don't need to remove it. And this plug is attached to this motor over there, the heating motor. Remove that. And here you can see this is attached to this here, the cooler system. This is better you don't remove this. This is okay. Here you got one screw. This is just to remove. These two. And remove all the around side screws over there. After this was removed, this one, and that one. You can see small arrows inside to see what you should remove. Now it should be easy to remove it. Maybe it's a small bit. Be gentle, because we still got some wires at the other side which is connected to this board. And here we can see the plug we are supposed to remove. Let's see closer on this one over there. This was mounted over this. Check it over. And now I want to look at this and see where the problem is. When I'm connecting to the power supply, I always got wrong.